What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in the new Firefox. So I know I have a video that's pretty popular on my channel where I go into how to turn on dark mode in Firefox, and I show you guys to get an extension. Well, finally Firefox just added themes, and that just lets you change the theme to dark mode. You don't have to get an extension anymore, and it's less laggy. So just do it this way, and I'll show you how to get to this screen right here. So I'm just going to open a new tab as if I had just opened up Firefox. I'm going to click the the three lines, the hamburger menu here, and then I'm going to click on add-ons and themes. You can also do Control Shift and A to get here, but so this will just bring me to this screen right here. You might see recommendations or something. Just click on the themes on the left-hand side here, and you'll be brought to this screen. So by default, it'll be set to this system theme auto. So this follows the operating system, and basically my Windows is set to dark theme, dark mode, and that's why Firefox knows that with this setting, and it sets it to dark mode as well. So if that's something you're interested in, like if you have Windows set to light mode and you want this in light mode as well, just leave it at system theme. But if you have it a little bit different and you want to customly set it to dark mode yourself, and it's not picking it up here for some reason, or you just have Windows in light mode, just select this guy right here. So disabled, dark, a theme with dark color scheme, you can just click enable here. And yeah, nothing changes because it was already in dark mode for me, but now dark mode is officially enabled. So if I show you guys what light mode will look like, way different, a lot more light hitting your eyes, a lot more exhausting to look at, to be honest. So if that's your preference, you can set it to that, and then back to dark mode so you see the difference. And yeah, there's also some other themes. If you scroll down, you can see recommended themes. Then you can find more themes, and you can really just browse and find a bunch of different things, like a space theme, and so on. You know, I like to keep my Firefox simple, so I'm not going to go too crazy on the themes, but that's how you get them if you want. So when you're ready to go, you don't have to click save or anything. It just sets the setting for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So quick video today. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.